Today we'll be going over how we can use COSM, a network emulation platform, as a tool to demonstrate value and networking scenarios to potential customers. Please visit sunder.io to learn more. Here's the topology view inside the COSM tool. And we want to create a new Viptela demo. So I name my topology, and it puts me into the editing screen. We'll mock up a quick customer network, a switch and an internet-facing router, and I think in this scenario, an existing MPLS cloud migrating to DIA and other SD-WAN benefits would be a good example. So we'll get our edge router connected to the MPLS cloud and connect that switch to this router. Okay, so this network isn't very interesting. Maybe we'll add one existing site, spice it up a little bit. As you can see, the only requirement to create new links and add devices is just adding the node and then selecting the device one at a time and then adding link, which can be a pretty quick way to mock up networks. So for the Viptela side, first we'll go ahead and add our control plane nodes. Add the vManage, vSmart, and the vBond. And luckily I have a switch in the makeshift hub here, able to leverage to connect these control plane nodes. And let's go ahead and add in some new sites. Now, before I add the next one in, one of the main benefits from virtualizing a topology like this is that we're able to inject things like new DIA circuits without having to wait for actual circuits to be brought up. So I'll go ahead and add in two separate DIA lines. And so just like before, in order to get these connected, I just needed to select each node and then the target for that link. And let's hook them all back into our original hub. So pretty simple. We could make it a lot larger in a real life scenario, but that's really all it takes to kind of start mocking up many of those initial conversations with why does SD-WAN make sense for me? The next step would be to deploy the topology and then wait for it to come online. In this case, I've gone ahead and spun up another topology fairly similar to what we were just looking at, and we'll be focusing in on the traffic node to show how the data plane will react when we introduce some traffic. So we'll go ahead and log into that node. And I also have my vManage dashboard here as well. And so this traffic should begin flowing, and we'll see the results here inside of our vManage GUI. And as you can see, we're starting to track more traffic both in the TX and RX direction on this interface as well as those tunnel interfaces between the sites. Thanks for joining. We'll see you next time.